Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upgrade the firmware. So the first thing you need to do is to connect to your router, and so we're going to connect to the router, and you're going to go to System, Packages. So these are the list of packages that are currently installed in your router. The ones that are faded are packages that were disabled. So the number of packages that are installed in your router may differ. So all of these packages carry a particular feature set. So it depends on what you're using a router for. You might need a different package. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to upgrade the packages, which is the operating system. So you're going to click on check for update. So ensure that your router is connected to the internet through your modem. So ensure that that is done first. Then you're going to click check for updates. So we are seeing where the current version that we have is 6.36.2 and the latest version is 6.3.1, and below it we are seeing where these are all the change logs. So these are all the things that has been changed in this particular release, and as you scroll down you can actually see previous releases and the things that were changed in them. So you can also choose whether or not you want to upgrade, but usually it is always recommended that you keep your router up to date, because some of these changes are security related, and in order to ensure that your router is well secured. So you're going to click on, you have two options. You can actually download the package, and you can also download and install. So if you click download, what it will do is the package will be downloaded to the router, but it won't be installed until the router is rebooted. The download and install now, what it will do, it will reboot the router as soon as the download is completed. So you can choose based on your current situation. So we're going to download and install. So we're going to click download and install, and we're seeing where it's checking. So right here is the status bar. It's going to show you the current status of the download. Alright, so the router has been rebooted. So just give it about a minute before trying to reconnect. So we're going to reconnect to the router now. So click reconnect. Alright, so you see now where the installed version is 6.381, which is same to the latest version. So we have upgraded the OS for the router. So the next step is we're going to upgrade the router board, which is the main board for this router. So we're going to click on system, go down to router board, and it will tell you the model of the router that you have, and it's going to show you that the firmware, going to give you the different firmware. So it's telling you that the factory firmware is this. You're currently using this, which is 3.22. However, there's a new firmware which is 3.33. So in order to upgrade this, you're going to click upgrade, and it's going to ask if you really want to upgrade the firmware. You're going to say yes. And just wait on it. Then now you're going to click OK, and then reboot the router. So we're going to click on system, reboot, then click yes, and give it about a minute or so for it to be fully rebooted and upgraded. So now we're going to reconnect to the router. We're going to check the version that is there now. So we're going to go to System, Router Board, and so now we can see where the board has been upgraded. So the firmware for the main board has been upgraded to 3.33. So this was a factory firmware, which is 3.22, and now it has been upgraded to 3.33. So we have successfully upgraded the router to the latest version. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching.